I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face.
Hi guys, welcome back to Celeste's Corner. So I actually got a new camera. Well, it's not my camera, it's my boyfriend's mom. Shout out to her, she's driving right now. And so we are going to the movies. It's almost 10:30 at night. We're going to the movies to watch that movie Alien. And it's supposed to be like what, rated R, and it's like a horror movie. And I hate horror movies. So I'm scared, but these losers want me to watch it. This loser number 1.
What's up, guys?
And loser number 2. This is Jose. I don't think I've ever introduced him.
No, we have. He's been there. If you guys have been with Celeste's Corner for long enough, I think you've seen him like once.
Like in my Niagara Falls video, you can see him, but I didn't put in the clip where we're actually introducing him. But yeah, here's their mom. She's driving. say something.
Hi.
But yeah, so this should be fun because I've been. Now, see, I don't know if anyone out there has played it before, but if you guys have played the Alien Isolation game, I don't know if any of you beat it, but I personally just couldn't beat it. I made it to like chapter 3 and I give up because it's so scary. And I heard that the movie kind of follows the latest game, so let's hope it's that good, because Celeste is a little worried that because I get scared about this kind of like, you know, alien and creepiness, that she's gonna get scared too, but I think we'll be fine.
Alright, so we just finished watching the movie, and I'm not as scared as like I thought it was gonna be. It wasn't as scary. Kind of hyped up the scariness for me, but
Who hyped it?
you guys.
No. Okay, first of all, I just want to say, if anyone out there is a fan of the Alien series, you come and watch this one. It's nothing like the other ones. Like, I'm telling you right now, it has nothing to do. Well, it has a lot to do with the other ones, but it's like you just have to watch all the Aliens to know what this one's about, because there was just some stuff there, and then when you guys see who's there, because I don't want to spoil it, you're gonna get upset. I low-key got upset. I didn't even tell Celeste.
Just say it, guys.
Okay, spoiler. But when you see David and he's still alive from Prometheus, it's kind of like it's like finally like the side movie connected with the official movie, and it's like, yes, we needed this to happen, but not in the way that they did it. I got so angry. If anyone's out there, you guys want to go see Aliens, I highly recommend it.
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Like, I don't like horror movies, and this is apparently a horror movie rated R.
No, that movie scared me. There's something going in my ear and my nose now.
Oh yeah, it's like
and then everyone
like,
started coughing and sneezing
like,
in the theater, like the dudes who got infected, and then you're just kind of like, whoa.
It's like, wait, what?
Even I started coughing. I was like,
I started scratching my ear when the thing went in his ear. I was like,
I hate it.
Yeah, what was that doing? What is it here?
There was I don't know, it was like the infection.
okay guys, we're at Downsview Park and we are doing fireworks. It's like almost 1:30 in the morning, but it's okay.
What do these do?
Which
Yeah,
ones
what
are
is
those?
that? Oh, that's a little planting. I think you need to plant this one on the ground, maybe.
Yeah.
Not a sticking one.
No, this is for the floor.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't like that noise.
Yeah, that sounds like the movie we just watched. Ah!
Because where the arrow is pointing is where you have to hold it, so it shoots out of here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Woo! There's a lighter.
The wrong way, isn't it?
Oh, Jose!
Oh my god! When you saw like the little sparkles by your body, you didn't think to flip it the other way?
No!
What do you mean?
Don't act all quiet now because the camera's on.
Huh? I know.
I'm never trusting you again, bro. You betrayed me.
I told you.
Put the arrow up.
Guys, I told
and the
him.
bottom part in down. I listened to you and what happened? I got shot in the ribs.
I fully said, look, I'm gonna close the window just because I think it's
You're gonna be serious, right?
But look, I told him where the arrow is pointing is where nothing will come out. Because it says that side goes into the ground. But we don't, who holds Roman candles and put them in the ground? No one does that. Everyone just holds them, right? So, I told Jose to hold it and point it upwards and have the arrow facing downwards. What does he do? He has the arrow facing upwards. And you can clearly see in the video, he got shot in the ribs. And now he's blaming me because I did it.
You did.
I told you how to be safe.
But put the arrow up and the bottom part down. I listened. What happened? Oh, tell me. What happened?
You got shot?
Yeah. Why though?
Because you don't know how to follow orders.
Cha. Safety.
Ow.
Safety.
Safety! 2 free hits!
No, I hit you right before you said safety.
Wait, that doesn't count.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, it does.
You burnt?
Burnt my thumb.
Oh. But did it hurt?
Aw.
It just feels like weird.
It's like a...
The skin's rough.
I feel like you just punched me in the ribs. Like really
Well,
hard.
Celeste
The
shot
pressure of it, though.
2 Roman candles and she held a sparkler.
I know, she did it
I've held sparklers before.
Oh, she's a pro.
She did better than me.
Yeah, I know. Most of it was funny because she just saw you standing there with a little star.
We are good people and we pick up the fireworks off the ground because those people just leave it in the field. And I know how annoying it is to be at school and then like you see it all in the field. Obviously that's not a school, but like still it's a park. You know, people want to go there. The weather's getting nicer, and then you see a bunch of fireworks on the ground. Sucks.
Yeah.
So we're good people. So they're in the trunk right now, and they smoke really bad.
Not only that, but black powder is pretty bad for them.
Yeah.
Like black powder is just bad.
Exactly. So we're going to Martin now.
Yeah, we're going to Tim's, gonna get something to drink, and we're gonna go home, chill. Hopefully.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock, but you know how we do.
But we're not tired.
Oh yeah, cause
And I'm not letting no alien come and eat me because. What?
Yes, be careful. Those are like booty
That's
eaters.
definitely loud. Like I feel bad for anyone using headphones. That's loud. Like
Yeah.
I know that's loud. I'm sorry. But like, if you guys didn't hear what I just said, we're probably gonna go home, chill with some Timmies, and hopefully not get eaten by an alien.
Well, at least they got a real funny clip.
Yeah, you guys had some funny clips in there, like when Jose got shot in the ribs.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. That's it, right? Let's go.
I'm only human, can't you see?